Good morning everyone and welcome back. In this video I will present the new version of the BC3 indicator, version 2.0. This version basically in practice has the same functionalities as the previous one. However, we have all in one the 8 ranges to insert with the usual timings. This is the thing I haven't managed to do yet. The one that updates automatically. There are some issues with time zones. I'm working on it, but I haven't managed to do this yet. However, I have meanwhile made some important improvements. So basically the usual process of entering dates and times. As you all well know, in addition, this version will draw it on the chart. In practice, not only the static line of BC3, but also the minimum and maximum level of the reference range of the BC3 level. And it can also color this area with a horizontal background. In short, I found this sector with gradient colors starting from the first one, reaching gradually. In short, moving forward, I found this thing that I will now show you. I am not going to plot these other plot levels because in my opinion they only clutter the chart. But anyway, what you have available, the drawing is this here. In practice, it will always draw the BC3 level with the reference area, with the reference color to which it belongs. Will it draw the range where this level developed? And I believe it is important for reading the market's directionality. This was, for example, how much was it? How much was available on Friday? Okay, starting maybe, let's do the replay. Starting from midnight on Friday. Here it is. Perfect. Okay, did you have this reference? This was the BC3 closing level that was beginning to form, and we already had some good references. Maybe to start working gradually, because then we increase a bit, otherwise it becomes too slow. In short, the day goes on. Obviously, they mean the other BC3 levels develop, which always give you a reference of how the day is developing. Here we have those from the previous day marked with orange, yellow and red. And here we have those of the current day that is forming, and we already have as a reference. So in short, the day is bullish. We are working upwards and we can develop it if we obviously add our nice levels. Here the discussion, well, maybe later I'll make a video on how to take advantage of everything, but absolutely, you see how it gives you the references. Well, here it is now broken, then it re-entered the range and all the references develop gradually with the various colored bands. Or if you don't like them, they bother you, clearly you can go, you can remove them, you can choose the colors and mungi as you prefer, as you like. If you don't like this past background, the background of the sign, in short, and you're left with just the BC3 levels as in the previous one. But this time, in short, by inserting only once, in short, the indicator, and then you will have everything at hand. The indicator, of course, as I wrote in the post, is available only for Patreon members, since unfortunately I had some issues with the archiving of old and new members. In short, anyone who wants access is a premium Patreon member and wants access to this new indicator. They can send me a message through Patreon with their TradingView ID, so that in short this weekend I will add it Thank you all in the meantime for your attention to this small presentation video. And well, we'll catch up later in the chat. I think I'll make another video later to explain a little bit how to use the indicator, BC3, the levels in, and other updates. Perfect. Thanks again to everyone for your attention.